page. So in this video, we are going to solve question 5 of the just recently written WASSCE core maths. So the question goes that the mean age of a second year class of a school is 18 whole number 2 divided by 5. At the end of the promotion examination, 3 students aged 20, 19 and 19 years were repeated. The new mean age of the class became 18 whole number 1 divided by 3. Now we should calculate the number of students who were in the class before the promotion examination. So let's solve that. Solution. So to solve this, you need to understand finding the concept of mean, or what we call average mean. And so for information of this nature or data of this nature, to find the mean, you will take or use the x bar, which we use to represent the mean. X bar being equal to sum of the values of the items observed divided by the number of items observed. So in this case, the sum of the items or the items observed or under consideration here is the ages of the students, where the n here is the number of students whose ages are being recorded or are being considered. And so here, with this knowledge, then you come and fish out the information, that the values of whatever is given here. So here we are told that the mean age of the second year class of the school is 18 whole number 2 out of 5. So here it means that mean age, let's say it is the old mean age of the students, that is before the promotion exams was conducted. And so for the old mean age, we are told that the mean is equal to 18 whole number 2 out of 5. So now we have to rewrite this one to improper fraction. So this will be 18 whole number 2 out of 5. So to rewrite this one into improper fraction, we pick the denominator of the fraction, multiply by the whole number. So 5 times 18 will give us 90 plus 2, 92. So this will be 92 divided by 5. Then the summation of the ages of the students before the promotion exams, that gave us this mean. We don't know, so we can decide to represent with a variable, let's say x. The same way, the number of students whose ages gave us this mean. We don't know, so let's represent that with a variable, let's say y. So doing this, if we substitute this into the formula or the relation for finding the mean, our x bar will become 92 divided by what? 5 is equal to the sum of the ages of the students, which we don't know, will be x divided by the number of students whose age is under consideration here, which is y. So at this stage, we don't make x the subject. Let's make x the subject. That is, we express this equation with respect to x in terms of y. So here, to do that, you just multiply y by 92 divided by 5. So if you multiply y by that, you get 92y divided by 5 being equal to x. So this gives you an equation. Let's say equation 1. So after this, now we then come and consider the new mean. That is after the promotion exams is conducted. After the promotion exam is conducted, we are told that 3 students were repeated, and the ages of the students are 20, 19, and 19. And the mean age for the new class, that is the class after this promotion exam was conducted, is 18 whole number 1 out of 3. So for the new mean, that is the mean of the class after the promotion exams, our x bar, which is the mean, is given as 18 whole number, 1 out of 3. So this one to be rewritten into the improper fraction form. So 3 times 18 will give us 54 plus 1. That will be 55 divided by 3. So then because some students were repeated, and as a result the new mean is this. The sum of the students, that is after the promotion exams, will be reduced by their ages. But initially the sum of the students, as we said, we don't know, we represent that with x. And so because 3 students were repeated, the sum of their ages will also be reduced by the students who were repeated. And we are giving their ages to be 20, 19, 19. And so for the new mean of the new class or of the promoted class, the sum of their ages will be reduced by the ages of students who were repeated. And so the ages of the students who were repeated as given in the question are 19 and 20 plus 19 plus 19. So these are the ages of the 3 students who were repeated. And so if we simplify this, we have x minus 20 plus 19, 39 plus 19, 58. So that gives us 58. And so the sum of the ages of the students after the promotion exams will be reduced by 58. And this sum gave us the new mean. And so equally, the number of students, as we have it here, we said we don't know, will also be reduced by 3 because 3 students were repeated. And so the whole number of students, that is the number of students before the promotion exams, that gave us the whole mean is y. But after the promotion exam, 3 students were repeated. And so because the 3 students were repeated, it will affect the number of students. Otherwise, the number of students will also be reduced by 3. And so the new number of students here will be y minus 3. Now, substituting this into the concept or the relation or the formula for finding the mean, our new mean, which is 55 divided by 3, will be equal to the sum of the students, which is x minus 58, divided by the number of students, which is y, divided by 3. But we learned that the x, which stands for the sum of the students in equation 1. In equation 1, we learned that the x is equal to 92y divided by 5. So from 1, that is from equation 1, x is equal to 92y divided by 5 from equation 1. And so if x is this, substituting that in place of x here will give us 55 divided by 3 being equal to x minus 58. X. We are substituting this in place of x. So we're going to have 92y divided by 5 minus 8, which represents the x here, all divided by what we have here, y minus 3. So we simplify this. We do so by simplifying the numerator here first. And so here we have 55 divided by 3 being equal to 92y minus, then you come and multiply the denominator of the fraction here by 58 here. So if you multiply this by that, 5 times 8 will give us 40, so 0 remainder, so we have 0 remainder 4, so 5 times 5, 25 plus 4, 29. So we're going to have 290 divided by 5 or divided by y minus 3. This is what we are going to have. Now, from here, then you continue simplifying. This one is not simplified completely, so we continue simplifying. To simplify this completely, you pick the denominator of the numerator here, multiply it by what you have here. So let's clean here. Let me clean here. So from here, we continue simplifying. So this will give us 55 divided by 3 being equal to this one. If you have fraction divided by a particular denominator, just pick the denominator of the numerator, the fraction at the numerator, multiply by the denominator. So pick 5 times y. So 5 times y. So we have to, let's write the numerator first. 92y minus 290 divided by, so we pick this 5 times y. 5y minus 5 times 3, 15. So you're going to have something like this. Then from here, you cross multiply. Pick 55, multiply by the denominator here. Pick 3, multiply by the numerator here. So we have 55, bracket open, 5y minus 15, being equal to 3, bracket open, 92y minus 290. So this is what we are going to have if we cross multiply. So multiply this by that. 5 times 5y. So 5 times 5 will give us 25. So 5 remainder 2. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2. So it will give us 275y minus 55. Let's do the rough work here. 55 times 15. 5 times 5, 25, 5, number 2, 5 times 5, 25 plus this, 270, then this one, 5, this 5. So we're going to have 5, this plus that 12, so 2 remainder 1. So add is 8. So to give us 825 being equal to 3 times this. We have this one times that will give us 6. 3 times this will give us what? 276y minus 3 times this. So multiply that one. We have 290 times 3. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times this, 27, 7. Remainder 2. So 3 times this will give us 6 plus this 8. Gives 70. So here will be 870. Now, having done this, we can group our like things. You see that there is a y term here, there is a y term here, and there is a constant here, there is a constant. So group our like terms. So we have 275y. If we transpose this to that here, we have negative 276y. That will be equal to negative 870 plus 825. So 275y minus 276y will give us minus y is equal to negative 870 plus 825 will give us minus 45. Good. Minus 45. So here you multiply through, either multiply through by negative 1 or you divide through by negative 1. So if you divide through by negative 1, you have your y to be equal to 45. But we are told, or we said that the y represents the number of students that gave us the whole mean. And that's what the question is looking at, to find the number of students before the promotion exams. And y is the number of students before the promotion. And so therefore, you conclude by saying, so therefore, the number of students before the promotion exams, before the promotion examination is 45. Is 45. And that ends the solution to this question. Continue to follow the page for more interesting videos. See you in our next video.